Assalamu alaikum to everyone who is watching this video. My name is Usman Ashfaq and I am student of BCS in Comsat University, Islamabad, WA campus. Today, my topic is breathtaking beauty of Pakistan. Pakistan, the land of four seasons, is filled with the variety of historical as well as natural beauty. Pakistan is home to some of the most beautiful and wondrous places on the planet, but they are not as popular due to the very weak tourism industry. However, these pictures speak for the beauty that lies within Pakistan. Let's take a look at some of the most beautiful places that you won't believe actually exist in Pakistan. 5 of the 14 highest mountains in the world are exist in Pakistan. Talking about highest peaks in the world, how can we forget K2, the second highest peak in the world? K2 is reaching an unimaginable height of 28,253 feet despite of its unconquerable path and unpredictable weather. It appeals to climbers from all around the world. Yusai Plains are one of the highest plains in the entire world, reaching the height of 13,500 feet above sea level. It is almost 30 kilometers away from the town of Sakardu. Because of its beautiful view, it has been given many magical names like Fairyland. The locals believe that the Yusai Plains are one of the closest things to heaven on earth. Baltoro Glacier is located at a height of 13,900 feet and it is 63 kilometers long. It is located in the Karakoram ranges of mountains. It is the second longest non-polar glacier in the entire world. These white castles of nature are extremely beautiful, but it is very hard to get. Even though the magnificent view you will find there is worth every hardship in your path. The most famous natural wonders that exist in the north, making it a crown of Kahan Valley. It is shaped like a teardrop at the height of 13,927 feet. The reason why it is so special that the whole lake is just shaped like a teardrop. It is existed at unimaginable heights where usually water bodies don't exist. The track that leads to this lake is slightly difficult, but the anyone who has made this journey has both returned gratified and stunned. This heart-shaped lake you are seeing in this picture is one of the high-rated and most visited lakes in the entire Gilgit-Baltistan. This lake is known as Shangri-La Lake and it is located in Lower Kachura, Skardu. Spilling over eastern border to India, it forms a natural boundary between the two countries and it covers almost 2 lakh square kilometers only in Pakistan. It is referred as the heart of Pakistan and it has a very special place in our country. Hingol National Park is one of the largest national parks in Pakistan. It is located in Balochistan and is situated about 19 kilometers from Karachi. In Hingol National Park, the most famous tourist spots are Oasis of Hope, the Line of Balochistan, Malir Beach, and Hindu temples. Pakistan is a region rich for its culture and history. There are also many historical places in Pakistan that deserve to be visited by everyone. Here are some of these historical places.